In a small town called Bern, there was a boy named Albert Einstein. He had wild, messy hair and loved to ask big questions. He wasn't like other kids. While other children loved school, Albert didn't. He hated the strict rules, and his teachers thought he was lazy. They even called him a lazy dog. But Albert wasn't lazy. He was just different. He had big ideas that no one could understand. After school, Albert tried to find a job, but no one wanted to hire him. His father thought he wasn't going to be successful. Albert felt sad, but he never stopped dreaming. He didn't give up on his ideas.
Albert had a secret habit that helped him think deeply. He would block out time just for himself. Every day, he made sure to spend time alone, away from the noise of the world, so he could think about his ideas without distractions. He believed that in silence and solitude, the best ideas could grow. Then, in 1905, something amazing happened. Albert wrote some papers that changed the way we think about the world. He showed that light could be both a wave and a tiny particle. People didn't believe him at first, but slowly they started to see how smart Albert really was.
Years later, Albert made a mistake he called his biggest blunder. He thought the universe was still, so he added something to his math equations that didn't really belong. Later, he realized he was wrong. The universe was actually growing. It was a hard lesson, but it helped him learn that even the smartest people make mistakes sometimes. Albert also helped discover how tiny things like atoms worked. But there was one thing he just couldn't accept. He didn't like the idea that some things in the world were random. He spent many years trying to find an answer, but he never did. Despite his struggles, Albert's ideas changed the world. He won a Nobel Prize for showing how light worked, and his most famous idea, the theory of relativity, changed the way we think about space, time, and gravity. Albert showed us that gravity wasn't a force pulling things, it was the bending of space itself. He also used his voice to help in a time of war. Even though he was a pacifist, he wrote a letter to the President of the United States, warning about a dangerous weapon. It was a decision that weighed on him, but he knew it was something he had to do. Albert Einstein wasn't perfect. He made mistakes and had problems just like everyone else. But he taught us an important lesson. Being smart isn't about being perfect. It's about asking big questions, learning from our mistakes, and making time for deep thinking. Like Albert, we can all find time to reflect and grow our own ideas, no matter what challenges we face.